DJI, a leading company in consumer drone technology, is preparing for an exciting 2024 with a rumored product roadmap that promises to push the boundaries of innovation even further. Based on leaks and information from supply chain sources, drone enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the new products DJI has in store for the year. Here's a sneak peek into the potential launches we might see in 2024 from this industry powerhouse. One of the most important aspects that DJI should focus on for the Mini 5 Pro is the camera. While the Mini 4 Pro boasts a high-quality 4K camera capable of capturing stunning aerial footage, many users feel there is room for improvement. A significant upgrade that fans are hoping for is a larger image sensor. Currently, both the Mini 3 and 4 Pro have a 1.3-inch sensor, which, although capable, has limitations. By upgrading to a 1-inch sensor, DJI could vastly enhance the dynamic range and low-light performance of the Mini 5 Pro, allowing users to capture even more breathtaking shots. Another area where the Mini 4 Pro fell short was internal storage capacity. With only 2 GB of storage, users often have to frequently transfer media, which can be inconvenient, especially in the field. To address this, DJI should consider increasing the Mini 5 Pro's internal storage to at least 8 GB, providing ample space for photos and videos without constantly offloading to external devices. Flight time is also a significant concern for drone pilots. While the Mini 4 Pro offered decent flight time, it didn't see significant improvements over its predecessor. With the added weight of the Intelligent Battery Plus, finding a solution to increase flight time without sacrificing performance will be crucial for the Mini 5 Pro. Ideally, DJI should aim to offer at least 40 minutes of uninterrupted flight time with a standard battery, allowing users to fly worry-free for longer periods. In addition to these essential upgrades, users would love to see improved obstacle avoidance technology, enhanced stability and control, and better connectivity options in the Mini 5 Pro. By addressing these areas, DJI can ensure that the Mini 5 Pro not only meets but exceeds user expectations. Speaking of interruptions, the bane of every drone pilot's existence is limited flight time. The Mini 4 Pro, despite introducing the Intelligent Battery Plus, failed to deliver a significant increase in airborne endurance. However, the rumors surrounding the Mini 5 Pro suggest that DJI has been hard at work, innovating in battery technology to deliver a minimum flight time of 40 minutes with a standard battery option. This extended flight time promises to unlock newfound freedom and flexibility, allowing pilots to explore the skies without the constant worry of battery life cutting their adventures short. Release date and pricing. People are guessing when the Mini 5 Pro might come out. DJI usually makes new products pretty quickly, like they did with the Mini 4 Pro coming out just a year after the last one. Based on this, it seems like September 2024 could be when the new Mini comes out. This news makes fans really happy. However, with the price of drones steadily increasing and competition intensifying, the Mini 5 Pro will need to deliver on its promises of superior performance and functionality to justify an expected price point of $700 to $800. Consumers demand value and innovation in equal measure, and the Mini 5 Pro must rise to the occasion by delivering the anticipated upgrades, including a larger sensor, enhanced dynamic range, increased storage capacity, and extended flight time. Failure to meet these expectations could result in the Mini 5 Pro fading into obscurity amidst the fierce competition, a fate that no one in the drone community wished to see befall this promising aerial contender. In short, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could change the drone world. It's going to give drone fans an amazing experience with photos and videos from the sky. DJI needs to make sure they add the cool stuff people want and keep being innovative.